Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to place insect inside your vivarium in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have a vivarium like this one, and then you can get you can get it you can get it as a quest reward or just buy the vivarium for NPC Niwa. This NPC, this NPC. And then next you also need to catch an insect first. Without insects the vivarium can be used. And then now just go to your home and place your vivarium on your room like this. And then after that just walk walk closer to the vivarium and then just tap on the insect icon, this one. Just tap on it and then next you can just select the part that you want to add on the vivarium. Like in here you can add on floor or trunk and then maybe hang. Just choose the one that you like. For example, I want to tap on the trunk and then I want to add my favorite insect. For example, this one, and then when you're done just tap on complete like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Your insect will now live inside the vivarium and decorate your home. Pretty cool, right? And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.